In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Google Drive. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Have you ever tried sharing a file or collaborating on a project only to discover that someone was accidentally blocked? Instead of searching through file permissions one by one, Google lets you manage blocked users from a central location in your account settings. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign into your Google Drive account. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture or account initial. From the menu that appears, click Manage Your Google Account. This will open your Google account settings in a new page. On the left sidebar, click People and Sharing. Next, locate the Contacts section and click Blocked. You'll now see a list of people you have blocked across your Google account and Google Workspace services. Scroll through the list until you find the person you want to unblock. Once you locate their name or email address, click the X icon or Remove button next to their entry. Google will immediately remove them from your blocked list, allowing you to share files and collaborate with them again. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.